Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that would be pretty sad though. It's like, you know, you want to take them, but you can't.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is going. Never mind, I like. Go ahead, you cast. This is a good fish. You can feel it head shaking. Ooh, yeah, it's a good fish. On the new setup, guys. Woo, wait. This is sick. You got one? Well, it should be always the repetitive number. Do you do a different number every time?
I'm not even counting, man.
Well, that's your fault. I keep telling you. Well, this guy's pretty heavy, dude. Oh, I might need your help on this one. If he's big. Oh, this guy's heavy, bro. This guy's heavy. Oh, it's a decent fish. It's a good fish. Oh, you ping. Need your help, my boy. Hell yeah, boy. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Oh, right there, my boy. Grab him by the mouth. Just grab him by the mouth. Just grab him by the mouth. Come on. Whoa. Look at that new setup.
Dude, this one's pretty damn heavy.
Woo. Look at that, guys. Hell yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Calcutta Conquest with a Daiwa. Should never be the same. Let's get a picture quick. Woo. Right here, guys. Hell yeah. Look at this beauty, guys. Probably like upper teens. We're gonna let it go though.
You wanna weigh it?
You guys go? Yeah. All right, guys, 18 pound fish. Let's let it go.
That's one to go out and reproduce.
Yep. Hell yeah. Beautiful fish. I do believe in helping the population. Yeah. You ready? You ready? There you go, mama. Fuck yeah. She's still right there. She's gonna go. Boom, bye, mama.